Good morning, carnivore family. Today is day 1 of my $10 per day drive-thru OMAD carnivore challenge. I will start out with my baseline weigh-in today. I will be fasting until 6:30 p.m. when I get my meal of the day. I am really excited to get started. Okay, family, my start weight is going to be 290.4 pounds for this challenge. Let me explain how this challenge will work. For 30 days, I will be attempting to eat one meal a day, OMAD, while eating nothing but drive-thru food on my carnivore diet. I have chosen Burger King because their website indicated that they pride themselves for offering 100% flame-broiled beef burgers with no additives or fillers, just 100% beef and zero non-beef ingredients. I also enjoy the delicious flavor of their flame-broiled patties. I will be ordering the meal from their a la carte menu. 5 Whopper beef patties and 9 slices of their crispy bacon slices. I will add some additional fat later to assure satiety by putting avocado oil-based mayonnaise on the patties when I get home. The great thing about this meal is that it will cost less than $10 at the drive-thru. If this type of content piques your attention, do me a big favor. Hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment below if you think this is a crazy idea or if you would like to try this challenge yourself. The reason this matters is because if YouTube sees that my audience is engaged with my content, it will help me grow my channel so that I can reach out to more people that need to make drastic changes in their health and well-being. It doesn't have to be a full 30 days for you. You can try it for 7 days or 10 days to get an idea of what benefits you might get from this challenge for yourself. When you go to the drive-thru at Burger King, make sure you explain that you are ordering from their a la carte menu instead of ordering a burger with no bun. You will save significant money on your purchase. My goal is to stay under $10 per day for my OMAD meal. That's only $70 per week for a daily meal prepared hot and fresh for you without any cleanup required in the kitchen afterward. It is extremely convenient, budget-friendly, and the macros are solid for an OMAD meal. I will share the macronutrients in the description below. It started to rain. But now that we have arrived at Burger King, let's pull up to the drive-thru and start placing my meal order. Don't forget that my goal is to be at a $10 budget for my OMAD carnivore meal. I'll find out how close I can get to that budget today during my first day of the carnivore challenge. Remember, you must order from their a la carte menu. A simple order. Just 5 Whopper beef patties at $1.50 each, and 9 slices of crisp bacon slices, 3 for $1. Make sure to ask them not to put any seasoning on the beef if you worry about controlling your own seasonings. You can add salt and pepper to taste with healthy sea salt when you get the food at home.
Welcome to Burger King. What can I get started for you today?
I would like to order off of your a la carte menu today. I would like 5 Whopper beef patties, just the meat only. And I'd also like to get 9 slices of bacon to complete my order.
Thank you. If that completes your order, drive forward to the second window, please. Order for Richard from All Meat Rich. Thank you for choosing Burger King today.
Now that we have picked up my order, let's take a look at how the cost was on my budget. The subtotal came out to $10.50, very close to my budget. But with the tax included, it came to $11.29 or $1.29 over my budget. I would have to lower the quantity of bacon slices to 6 to be below my budget. Now, let's get back home so I can dig into this delicious smelling order. Look at how juicy and delicious this plate of beef and bacon looks. I can't wait to get started eating it. I will be adding some avocado oil-based mayonnaise to increase fat level for satiety. If you want to follow along with this 30-day carnivore challenge, or at least see how long I can do this challenge, don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell to get reminders for when I post each new challenge update every 3 to 5 days during the month of July. Leave a comment below letting me know if you want to try a 5-day or 7-day version of this carnivore challenge for yourself. I read every comment. As always, I would be happy to have you as new additions to my carnivore family. If I can do it, you can do it. We can do it together. I'm Richard with All Meat Rich. I'll see you on the next one.